When an object strikes your vehicle, there's only two solutions for repair. One, find a skilled paintless dent removal technician to help you, or two, call a body shop. The paintless dent repair method, also known as PDR, does not involve any sanding, body fillers, paint matching issues, days without your vehicle, nor an accident report on Carfax. Dents don't just pop out. We carefully use special PDR rods with a variety of different tip shapes and rod lengths and other tools to carefully work the metal back into shape. We can repair dents on a flat surface and even dents on a body line like on this truck. We were at the customer's location for this repair, and the original paint finish remained intact. The repair turned out great, as you can see in the reflections of our dent repair light, and you'll see in the natural reflections as well. If you're in Destin or surrounding areas, give us a call. We'd really love to restore your vehicle back to the way it was before the incident. Paintless Dent Repair is a premier dent removal solution, and at Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair, excellence matters to us.